Hello world people. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. In case you're stopping by for the first time, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my video. So in today's video, as you may have seen by the title, I'm going to be reviewing the Juviasplace and Fumixjuviasplace collection. The first time I came across, I can't be calling her name Fumi like that, so because she's 50 years old. So if you're Nigerian, you know anybody that is older than you is your auntie. So she is my auntie, so I'm going to call her Auntie Fumi. And the first time I saw Auntie Fumi was on Niger Best MUA Takeover. So at the time, I had not seen someone her age ever do makeup. Like, if you're in Nigeria, you understand what I'm saying. But then I saw her that day. She wasn't our mate, she was nobody's mate. But then she came and she slayed a cut crease. I had to go and look for her on all her social media. That day I looked for her on YouTube. I went ahead and followed her, and since then I've never looked back. She's so inspirational, she's so happy, she gives off this positive energy. Every time I watch her videos, even though I come on those videos sad, I leave those videos happy. In today's video, I want to talk about her collaboration with Juviasplace. That's the most amazing thing I've seen, because for a brand to not look at numbers and look at loyalty, and because Auntie Fumi is a stan, like she stans Juviasplace. If you try to search for Juviasplace product on YouTube, like reviews, I bet you the first 5 videos, one of them will be her videos. Anywho, without talking too much, let's get into the video because you're here to see the review. The package came really secure and it looks really cute. Like, this box, I'll definitely use it to store something. And it came in this like really beautiful makeup bag that is red and gold. Of course, I had to rep the whole color of this lunch and wear a red and gold top because hello. Like, I'm definitely going to store a lot of stuff in here. And then she has 2 lipsticks in this collection. They are both called the Queen Lip Gloss. One is shade Fumi and the other one is shade Royalty. A collaborative effort with lifestyle blogger and model Fumixjuviasplace, an eccentric take on Queen of Hearts card game mixed with Fumi's love for colors. The palette features 6 high pigments that are multifunctional. And these colors are so buttery and so pigmented. You'll see that in the video, because when I swatched them, my mind was blown. So Fumi created 2 looks for this palette on her channel, so I'm recreating those 2 looks on this channel as well. One red one and one nude-ish one. So this palette, I'll do those 2 looks and also create a variety of other looks as well. I'm so sorry if this intro is already so long, but I'm going to go ahead and go into the red eye, smoky eye tutorial now. So if you'd like to see what I come up with, please keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to go in with this milk primer to prime my face. Actually really hydrating. I always do my face first and then my eyes after. So that's what we'll be doing today. So while I'm letting that dry, I'm going to go into my Juviasplace foundation in the shade Lagos. I've actually already reviewed this foundation on my channel, and when I did that, I used the shade Kenya, which was a bit too dark, and then Juviasplace ended up sending me a whole bunch of their foundations, and I was able to find my shade. It's either between Lagos 240 or Gabon 300. So I'm going to try Lagos today and probably try Gabon in a subsequent video, but that video is still on my channel, of course, where I did the first review of their foundation, which is super bomb, by the way. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using these 2 shades. One is number 10 and one is number 12. So for blush, if you guys have been paying attention to me, you will know I always use my Juviasplace palette. This palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here and this red one here. So because we're going to do a red smoky eye, using a red blush will just help tie the entire look together. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush, do my brows, and I'll be right back on camera to do the eyeshadow for you guys. So guys, I'm done doing my brows and I'm going to go ahead and go into eyeshadow. I feel like the fastest way to do eyeshadow will be to do one eye and come online and explain this eye to you guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll be right back, guys. So I'm currently obsessed with this eye look. It's super easy. Please don't be carried away by anything. I just fixed top and bottom lashes. That's what really brought the look, but I didn't do liner. Anyway, let me not talk too much. Let me zoom in and let's get right into this tutorial, this eye portion. Okay, so now that I'm in here, to start off this eye look, I'm going to use my base. I'm going to be using my eye base because every eye look or eyeshadow needs a primer. I don't feel using a primer takes away from the pigmentation of the eye look, and you already know Juviasplace sets the bar high for their quality in eyeshadow colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and just blend this out. I'll be using the color Ole, red shade there. I wish this had a mirror. So I'm just going to carry it and place it. While working on this other eye, I noticed that the color is actually really pigmented, so I'm just going to be very gentle. And there's little to no fallout. I feel like if you handle eyeshadow properly, even in the pan, there's little to no fallout. It's very well packed. There's no kickback on the palette. So how I'm kind of applying this eyeshadow is in a rounded format. I'm not winging it out. I'm just almost like as if I want to create a halo eye. You always want to have like a towel sitting on your lap while doing eyeshadow because it's very important. I'm going to go in with the shade 7 to blend out this color, this transition color I placed. Next, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to dip it into a black very lightly. I'm using this black because I needed something to give me depth, and I would have used the purple in this palette, but it's not dark enough for what I wanted to do, so that's why I'm using a black color, and it's very lightly that I'm placing this black. So now that that's blended out, I'm going to go into my base. You can use a black gel liner as well to achieve what I'm about to do, but I feel like this works easily and it gives you more time to blend. I'm going to use this brush to tap that in. The red in this palette is a very unique red shade. I don't think I've seen anything as red as this. Pack on that color on my lid. So I'm changing the brush just to go ahead and blend it out even more. I'm going to use my gel liner. Then I'm going to go into that black and red shade and just smudge that out. I don't want a defined liner look. So you can see how that's added to the darkness underneath there, under my eyes as well. Black first, then the red. I'm going to switch to this very small Evita Joseph brush, and then what I'm going to use that to do is to take 7. 7 is this shade here. The red in this palette is so beautiful. Like, you can make it light, you can make it deep, you can make it obey you, and it's a very unique shade. Trust me, I've worked with a few reds. I'm not sure if it's going to stain my eyelid. I'll have to update you guys on that, because most reds, they stain my eyelid. FDV approved, and I'm going to go in with Glam as well, this shade here, and I'm going to put those in my inner corner. So I'm going in with Glam first, which is the darker one. Then I'm going to go in with FDV approved. It's like a rose gold glitter. Eyes a bit, nothing too major. If you don't like this look of glitter in your inner corner, definitely you can skip this step and stop with applying eyeshadow. So now I'm going to go on to fix my lashes. So guys, this is what the eyes are looking like so far. Do you really love it? Comment down below, tell me what you think about the eyes at this moment. I'm going to go in with a very tiny, gentle, humble tutu. So pigmented. So for highlighter, I've seen Auntie Fumi, she uses this one, this shade called Glam. She uses the shimmer shades basically, and since the palette claims to be multifunctional, we're going to see how true that claim is. I'm going to go in with FDV approved. So how I like to set my face, I'll just take my setting spray and then I'll just go in. Don't be scared of moving your makeup. I feel like I've not shown you guys this step in a while, so some of you are forgetting. So all that is going to dry down in 1 second. For my lips, I'm going to be rocking the nude lipstick called Royalty, and it looks like so. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching me create it from start to finish. This entire look was so much fun to create, guys. Like, I had fun creating this. I hope it was easy enough for you guys to follow through. Let me know your thoughts. Would you be purchasing this? Juviasplace actually ships to Nigeria, so definitely check out their website in case you want to try out any products you might have seen me use. The lip gloss is just, it's killing me. It's killing me softly. Oh my goodness. Like, once again, congratulations to Auntie Fumi de Salovold. This palette, this collaboration, everything is just so surreal. It's a dream. Like, it's beautiful. The colors are amazing. The whole collaboration in its own is just something very precious and very beautiful. And congratulations to you in case you come across this video. We are super proud of you. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Very important, you already know. Please give me a thumbs up, rate this video, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Tell me what you thought of this look. Tell a friend or two about me. You know, let them come and see what we're doing here on this channel. I'm going to see you lovelies in my next video. Once again, I really would love to hear your feedback, so please leave them down for me. I always respond to comments every single time. I'm going to see each and every one of you lovelies in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.